Hey everybody, I am back with another unboxing. Today I have the CJRB Acacia. Let's get right into it, see if it is a budget banger or not. Nice zip pouch and a plastic baggie. Let's get that out of here. This thing has brown FRN scales, crossbar lock. It's got a nice thumb hole for deployment, a steel pocket clip. Before we even open it up, let's see how that fits in the pocket. Doesn't fit in the pocket well. It's not worth opening. Does sit in the pocket really well. It's the deep carry clip. It goes in and out pretty easy. It's got some good snap to it. All right, let's get this thing open. Nice. It's got actually a pretty smooth action. It's on ceramic bearings. Has a black stonewashed AR RPM 9 steel blade, drop point style. A pretty smooth action, all things considered. This blade does come in at $29.99. You can get it on Amazon and on their website. They do have other colors. I do believe they even have a steel handle one. This one has, like I said, the brown FRN scales. You can see some of the texturing. There it is. Does feel pretty nice. Gives it a nice little bit of grip. Does have some flex on the scales, but it is injection molded plastic, so not too surprising there. Still feels like it'll hold up to some pretty good use on a daily basis. All right, well, let's get some measurements on this thing, right? Actually, let me do a size comparison. I have right here the Magyar Mojarl. They are just about the same size. The Mojarl is just a little bit longer, full titanium. Currently carrying this one to see how it is long term. Pretty good action. This one has really good action, all things considered. Well, let's get back to the measuring. Alrighty. We are. Comes in at just under 7.5 inches with a 3¼ inch blade, a 3-inch of cutting edge. So not a small knife. Certainly had smaller, but by no means is it a large knife. The ergos, it does feel pretty good in the hand. You can feel the pocket clip, but it's pretty soft. I would say that the FRN scales here are a little bit sharp on the edges. I mean, you don't have to get in there for any liner lock or anything like that, but you can feel it while you hold it. I do have extra large to double extra large glove size hands, so it's got a nice choil up here, sharpening choil. You can choke up on it. I do feel the blade a bit on my finger here when I'm choking up, but I do have some larger fingers, so keep that in mind. Smaller hands probably fit this a lot better. I mean, for being only $29.99, this actually feels pretty good. Certainly feels usable, carryable. Let's see how it cuts here. Sheet of paper. Oh, sorry for bumping the camera. Wow, that actually cuts really, really well. Pretty slicey. Overall, I would say that the action, it's pretty smooth. It would definitely benefit from some skiff bearings. I might consider making that modification here. I'm going to be carrying this for the next couple of weeks, really trying to see how it feels, again, in the pocket, using it every day, see how it holds up. Right now, to answer the question of if it's a budget banger would be kind of tough. Let me see what it weighs real quick here. See if it's 2.7 ounces. That's really light. I would say that that's certainly carryable and even in gym shorts. I might suggest, well, I might say it's a little tight on the clip. It goes really easy on jeans. On gym shorts, might be a little tight, a little tough. But yeah, I would say kind of like it. I mean, for the price, I certainly think it's fantastic. You know, you can throw it in your pocket, throw it around, beat it up, not really worry about it because you can just go and buy another one. Well, thanks for tuning in. Drop a like and subscribe if you like the content. I will be wearing this and keeping it in my pocket for the next, 2 weeks or so. I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Thank you.